Welcome back to Dupe District, where smelling expensive doesn't have to break the bank. Today, another very nice French Avenue fragrance called Eclair Affair. Beautiful box, very ladylike, and of course the inside is the vessel, and it's just beautiful. I mean, look, Eclair Affair by French Avenue, stunning bottle. Let's just check what the juice smells inside. Yo, it smells very nice. Now, this is a very familiar smell. Now, the top notes, jasmine, vanilla bean, coconut milk, which is very nice gourmandy type of fragrance. Your middle note is caramel, amber, and gourmand accord. Then you get a very nice vanilla, tonka bean, and musk. Now, the very first thing that I saw in my mind when I smelled this fragrance, immediately the opening notes smells like amarula. They're not amarula cream that you get. It smells exactly like that, and then it tones down, and then it becomes this beautiful vanilla, tonka bean, musk, and caramel fragrance, which just makes you just want to drink this fragrance. It's a beautiful, stunning fragrance. Now, the vanilla, tonka bean, and musk. Now, the musk gives you a little bit of longevity. I would say longevity of this will not be more than 5 to 6 hours on your skin. Projection will be mild. It won't be a massive projection. Excuse me. This is a type of fragrance that you spray on, and it mellows out, and it's just even and nice, and it just will stick to the skin, and you will smell it if somebody walks close past you. This is not a very projective fragrance, which you don't want, but you want people that's close by to smell that beautiful lady fragrance of yours. And this is just amazing. Very nice fragrance by French Avenue. Eclair Affair is also more or less a dupe for Bianco Latte by Giardini di Toscana. So very lot of words there that almost doesn't make sense to me, but that's the fragrance, we all know it. And it's just an amazing fragrance. It's Eclair Affair. It's just that nice, boozy, caramelly, vanilla, tonka bean fragrance that any lady should have in her collection. It's a beautiful fragrance, and I would suggest wearing this to any special event. It's not a, it's a mild office fragrance. Definitely a going out fragrance to nice events. Definitely not for gym, because everybody that's on a diet will try to bite you, and you don't like that because being bitten is not fun. But anyway, beautiful fragrance. Ladies and gentlemen, very, very nice. And that's only at Dupe District. Don't just watch the movement, be part of it.